Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. National Board of Examinations New Delhi (NB) has released one notification regarding cut-off date for submission of documents for FMG June 2021 examination. The notification got published on 17th of May 2021, and this notification is regarding if any kind of deficiency while filling the form for FMG, then you have given a cutoff date, that is June 6. By June 6 you have to submit and communicate all the latest documents whichever not found from the NB. So we will discuss in detail, and we will also discuss what are the chances for the exam to happen on the given date 18th of June. Before that, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe it, and you can look at description where you can find telegram group. You can join the telegram group so that you can keep on getting all the updates related to NEET PG, FMG, and other examinations, other counseling related data statistics you will be getting. In the description I have given the links for few important ebooks which will be helping you a lot in setting your goals and knowing the cutoff for last years for private colleges, DNB, and deemed universities. So you can go over and have a look at those as well, and you can download as well. So let's get started. Looking at the current scenario, when big campaigning is going on from doctors, senior doctors, students, FMG graduates, and other education institutions for FMG, and in that campaigning many MP and cabinet ministers like Nitin Gadkari, MP Hema Malini, and other big ministries have supported them to give FMG doctors a chance to serve in COVID duty when the country is in dire need of doctors. As per the process, the students who complete their primary medical graduation MBBS, they need to pass a screening test that is called foreign medical graduation examination, and the passing criteria is 50%. You need to score 50% marks, then only you will be allowed to serve in India as a doctor. You will be allowed to practice. But and current situation in the when the country is facing so much of deficiency of doctors, experienced doctors, and freshers doctors, there is a big campaign going on and they are asking from government, health ministry, and PM Modi that you allow all those 50,000 plus doctors who have completed their graduation and they couldn't qualify at the screening test, because the percentage of qualification is 8% to 19%. So out of total students of year for FMG examination, only maximum 90%, 19%, 19% student qualify in a year, due to the is based on percentage, not based on percentile. NEET PG, NEET UG examinations are based on percentile, but this FMG is only examination based on percentage. You have to score minimum 50% in order to qualify. So that's bad, and many of the politicians have supported it. So if it happens, so if they win the case, and many of them went into Supreme Court as well, so a decision is pending from Supreme Court whether they will be given a chance to work as a COVID doctor, and there is no need of a screening test. If that happens, then there is no examination will be happening. But if you see, the examination is still 18th of June as of now, which may get postponed anytime considering the current COVID-19 situation in the country. Today is 18th of May and examination date is of 18th of June. So 1 month from here, what you see, COVID is coming under full control. If it happens so, and still NB decides to conduct the exam on 18th of June, so then why NEET PG and NEET UG examination can't be conducted when FMG examination are getting conducted? So it looks highly impossible that FMG examination will get conducted on 18th of June, because there is no preponement for NEET PG 2020 examination, and NEET PG 2021 examination is not going to held before 30th of August as per PMO. So these all other examinations including FMG should not be conducted before 31st of August. it will be better if they cancel the examination for this year and allow all the FMG candidates directly without passing any screening test directly work as topic doctor, which is the need of the hour. So that's related to point of view of examination happening or not happening. Now coming to the point for the notice. So the examination shall be conducted on computer-based platform in various training centers across the country on 18th of June. For that examination, the application form is already filled and the date is already over. The second point says, if any deficiency in documents uploaded by candidates in the application form shall be communicated through an online deficient document submission portal. They have given a link http://exam.netboard.edu.in fmge.php. So you can click on this link and it's a online document submission platform where you can submit all the documents which is found deficient. Point number 3, in terms of the clause 2.8.2 and 8.28.2 in the information bulletin for FMG June 2021, deficiency related to documents upload, proof of possessing primary medical qualification, eligibility certificate or admission letter, identity proof of citizenship in an application form can be rectified, and you have the last date as 6th of June. By 6th of June you can do. Point number 4, the same as point number 1, just little elaborative. Candidate are accordingly advised to rectify any deficiency as communicated to them. So it will be communicated. And primary medical qualification degree certificate or provisional passing certificate duly attested by Embassy of India in the country from where you have done your primary medical qualification. Eligibility certificate issued by NMC or MCI if applicable, proof of citizenship. And the 5th point, only eligible candidate will be allowed to appear in the FMG examination who have both the eligibility certificate if applicable and the provisional pass certificate or degree certificate of the primary medical qualification. In case the examination is going to happen on the 18th June or later, you must have these documents submitted before 6th of June. That's very important, and then only in that case only you are eligible to be appear in FMG examination. And point number 6, admit card shall not be issued to candidates who are declared ineligible. In case you fail to submit or you miss this notification by any chance, and by 6th of June you fail to submit the deficient document, then your admit card will not be issued and who are declared ineligible before the conduct of examination. So that's the notification, and it's very important notification. I suggest you to upload all the documents through the portal whichever is not uploaded or not in correct format, so that you at least become eligible. And let's see the examination is happening or not, because big discussion and debate is going on, and all are waiting for human healthcare ministry or PMO last decision whether they are going to allow FMG candidates for to work as COVID duty without passing the screening test, or what is going to happen. So be tuned with NEET Mentor. We will keep on posting all the things, and we also promote that FMG candidates should be given opportunity to serve as COVID doctors without passing the screening test, and be very much supporting it, and we keep on posting all the updates and campaigning related movements. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.